So hi guys, the program I create is all about program to manage a grocery list. So this is the code that I created kanina lang. So hash program to manage a grocery list. Hash initialize an empty list to store groceries or groceries underscore list equals square bracket. So here are the code that I created to run the program how to manage a grocery list. So the first line is all about the title, which is the program to manage a grocery list. This sign is called hash or hashtag. The second line is initialize an empty list to store groceries or groceries underscore list equals square bracket. So we move to third line, which is hash function to add an item to the list. So dito, pag nirun mo yung code, lalabas kung anong item ang na-add sa list. So ito yung code na para lumabas yung kung anong item ang na-add. So def add underscore item open parenthesis item. So the fourth line is groceries underscore list append open parenthesis item. So if you print F item has been added to the list. So sa console po ang lalabas ay apples has been added to the list. So the first one is hash function to add an item to the list. So the code po ay yung def add underscore item open parenthesis item. The next line is grocery underscore list append item. So if you print F item has been added to the list, ang malabas ay apple, milk, and bread. The second one is function to remove an item from the list. Ito naman ay kung paano ma-remove mo yung item sa listahan. So, def remove underscore item, open parenthesis item. If item in groceries underscore list remove item. So, if you print po, ang F item has been removed from the list. So, print F item is not in the list. So, ang ma-remove ay milk has been removed from the list. Yun po ang ma-remove. So, kasi yun yung pinakang last. Sa part na yan, pwede kang mamili kung apples, milk, or bread ang i-remove mo. So, ang napili kong i-move ay yung milk. Kaya, ang na-remove sa listahan ay milk. Dito naman sa third line na ginawa ko sa code ko ay function to display the current list. So, def display underscore list open close parenthesis. If groceries underscore list, print your groceries list. For item in groceries underscore list, print item. So, ang natira kong item ay apples and bread. So, nung naran ko, ang aking code, ang lumabas ay apples and bread. Ang ginamit ko dito sa code ko ay hash adding items to the list. So, add underscore item equals apple, add underscore item milk, add underscore item bread. So, yan yung aking code nung sa paggamit ko ng adding items to the list. So, sa displaying the list naman ay display underscore list open close parenthesis. Yun ang aking ginamit sa aking code. So, sa pangatlo ko naman ay yung removing an item from the list. Ang ginamit ko remove underscore item open close parenthesis milk. Tapos, ang pinakang last ko ay displaying the updated list. So, ang ginamit ko ay display underscore list open close parenthesis. So para lalo nyong maunawaan, ito yung aking code na ginamit para ma-run ko yung aking program. So, in this time, I will run my program. So, Ito yung lumalabas sa aking console. Sunod-sunod to. So, walang nag-error sa aking program na ginawa.